Okay, so for the people that were on our Monday night webinar with AMR Resorts and AMR Collection with Miss Gina, there was a giveaway. And so this giveaway is going to be for which one? I think it's Dreams. Let's see. It is for, hopefully you guys can see this. Let me, you know what? Let's see. Okay, so it is for Dreams Playa Bonita, Panama, okay? And it's for a 3-night stay. There are no hoops or anything that you got to jump through. You just have to make sure it says reservations must be made a minimum of 120 days prior to arrival. And it must be made before December the 20th of 2023. So that is this year, okay? So I did not get a chance to peek at anything. Listen, we about to find out together, okay? So Miss Gina did send us over a wheel of names. Let's see. And hopefully you guys can see this wheel of names. Right, I'm gonna press spin. Miss Gina already said it to the winner. So let's press play. How do you press play? Come on, this thing is in my way. Okay, probably right there. Congratulations, Miss Erin. Yay. Miss Shaquita, you were close. You were close. Congratulations, Miss Erin. All right. So Miss Erin, I know you're still doing your training right now. So let's go ahead and complete your training. Miss Gina needs you to you must create an AMR Resorts account and finish training, as well as have a valid CLIA card. So let's go ahead and get you signed up for AMR Resorts. You want to complete their training, and then of course, complete the training on this side so that you can get approved for your CLIA card. So there are 13 people in attendance, including myself. So listen, this was amazing. Thank you all for attending our Monday webinar with AMR Resorts. And this is the type of stuff that you get when you attend webinars. You know, sometimes they surprise us with things. You never really know. So once again, congratulations, Ms. Erin. Congratulations. And for those that did not see the wheel, let me play it again. Let me play it again. Everybody's names is on the wheel. There we go. Congratulations, Ms. Erin. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. As soon as training is done, I will automatically send you your training certificate so that you can go ahead and set up your stay at Dreams Playa Bonita, Panama. If you got any questions, just let me know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.